Hello, everyone. How are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today, we're going to talk about something simple, natural, and very real. We are going to talk about walking and why walking while listening to music can feel so good. For many people, walking is just exercise. For others, it is just a way to move from one place to another. But for me, walking is more than that. It is a moment to relax. It is a moment to breathe. It is a moment to clear my mind and enjoy some peace. I really like walking. I try to walk often, and honestly, I enjoy it in almost any kind of weather. It doesn't matter if it's sunny, cloudy, or a little windy. I still like to go outside and walk. As long as I have my headphones on and music playing, I feel ready. There is something special about that moment when I step outside. The fresh air touches my face. I start moving slowly. Then the music begins, and little by little, my mood starts to change. I feel lighter. I feel calmer. I feel more awake. Listening to music while walking makes the experience much better for me. Music gives energy to my steps. Sometimes it helps me walk faster. Sometimes it helps me slow down and enjoy the moment. It really depends on how I feel that day. If I feel tired, I choose music that gives me energy. If I feel stressed, I choose music that helps me relax. If I feel thoughtful, I choose soft music and just let my mind breathe. That is one reason I enjoy this habit so much. It is simple, but it helps me in different ways. Walking is also a good time to think, not in a stressful way, but in a peaceful way. Sometimes when I feel too busy, walking helps me slow down. And sometimes I do not even think too much. I just enjoy the music, the air, and the movements. I also like to notice small things during my walk. I notice the trees. I notice the sky. I notice birds, cars, people, and the sound of the wind. Sometimes I see my children playing outside. Sometimes I see someone washing a car or watering plants. Those small details make the walk feel more real and more peaceful. Cloudy days are some of my favorite days to walk. A lot of people love bright, sunny days, and I understand that. But I also enjoy cloudy weather. Cloudy days feel calm to me. The air is often cooler. The light is softer and everything seems quieter. When I walk on a cloudy day with music in my ears, I feel relaxed. These are days when I do not feel motivated. There are days when I feel tired or lazy and just want to stay home. But many times I tell myself, just go for a short walk. And that small decision helps me a lot because once I begin, I usually feel better. That is the interesting thing about walking. It looks simple, but it can really change your mood. And short walk can help you feel less stress. It can help you feel more active and help you feel mentally fresh. And when music is part of that moment, the walk becomes even enjoyable. For me, walking is not only good for the body, it is also good for the mind. It gives me time to disconnect from the stress. It gives me space away from noises and pressure. And it reminds me that not everything in life has to be big or complicated to be meaningful. Sometimes the best moments are the simplest ones. A good song, a quiet street, fresh air, and a few peaceful minutes alone. Those small things can help a big effect on how we feel. That is why I like walking so much. It is easy. It is healthy. It is free. And it helps me feel better in a natural way. So, yes, I really enjoy walking. I enjoy the movement, the fresh air, and especially the music. For me, music is not just something to hear. It is motivation. It is comfort. It is part of the experience. And sometimes when life feels heavy or noisy, I do not need something complicated. I just need my shoes, my headphones, and a little time to walk. Thank you for listening today. I hope you enjoyed this topic, and maybe next time you feel stressed or tired, you can go outside, play your favorite music, and take a walk. It might help you more than you think. See you in the next video to practice more English. Bye!